Hello everybody, this is Koko Una Tarot. I usually do meditations on Koko Una Meditations, but today I'm doing reviews on Koko Una Tarot for Nature Spirit Tarot. Comes in a big box, 6.5 inch box. Almost 10, 9.5. It's got a big book that fits right inside the box. It's got giant color pictures and wonderful descriptions of each card that it has. I'm going to show you each card and how beautiful they are. Everybody wants a full review when they're buying cards. Well, this is going to be a full review, so you can see every card. The major arcana I will go slower with. Okay, that's the book. Okay, so here you go. Fool, Magician, High Priestess, Empress, Emperor, Hierophant, Lovers, Chariot, Strength, the Hermit, Wheel of Fortune, Justice, the Hanged Man, Death, Temperance, the Devil, the Tower, the Star, the Moon, the Sun, Judgment, the World. Get these out of here and I'll show you the cup cards. Ace of Cups, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Page, Knight, Queen, King. The Wand cards, Ace of Wands, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 of Wands, 7, 8, 9, 10. Page of Wands, Knight of Wands, Queen of Wands, King of Wands. Swords, Ace of Swords, 2, 3, 4 of Swords, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Page, Knight of Swords, Queen of Swords, King of Swords. And Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles, 2, 3 of Pentacles, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Page of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles, Queen, and King of Pentacles. I'll show you the major arcana one more time. These are nice, thick cards. This is the back side. Look at that. Beautiful green color with some rainbow colors in the middle. Some butterflies on the outer edge. 3 1/4 inches. 5 1/4 inches. They're in pretty decent thickness. Show you the major arcana again. The Fool, which is 0. The Magician, which is 1. High Priestess, 2. Empress, 3. Emperor, 4. Hierophant, 5. Lovers, 6. Chariot, 7. Strength, 8. Hermit, 9. Wheel of Fortune, 10. Justice, 11. Hanged Man, 12. Death, 13. Temperance, 14. Devil, 15. Tower, 16. Star, 17. The Moon, 18. Sun, 19. Judgment, 20. The World, 21. It's a great deck of cards right here. Nature Spirit Tarot. 78 card deck and a big beautiful book. Nice, well-made cards and gorgeous nature pictures. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one.